Welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's video, it's going to be a quick one. We are installing the shift knob for the GSF from Elvin Carbon Fibers, and it's going to be a nice upgrade. So we got our stock shift knob right there. All you have to do is kind of pull down on this leather boot, and it kind of drops down, and then all you do is keep this down and spin the old shift knob off, which is threaded on. Sorry, this is a little harder with one hand, but it is doable. There we go. And just like that, the puppy comes off a little dirty from the hand oils and all that. And we could install the new one. So just pop it on there and start screwing it on clockwise. Till it's nice and snug and tight. You don't want this loose and turning on you from side to side as you're driving at high speeds. Let's see if I could do one more turn. Almost. Yes. So I'm just gonna make sure it's more or less straight. And then we just clip on the bottom piece again, back into it. And just put it into dry or reverse so it's a little easier. Come on, baby. There she goes. All right. And just like that, it is clipped on and looking so nice, matching the carbon fiber on the interior. Super high quality. It's gonna feel great when I put the steering wheel in next. That's gonna be coming up in a few days. All right, guys, so I got the car. I'm on my lunch break at work and I had the car out, so I just want to show you this bad boy in daylight. Come on, focus. Very high quality. Looks very good. Stitching is on point, the carbon fiber is on point, the clear coat is on point. So I really have no complaints here. Probably having a hard time focusing because of all these lights, but there you can see it looks freaking nice. Feels great in the hand. Very pleased with it. All right, guys, subscribe for the next video. It's gonna be replacing this steering wheel, okay? It's already at home in the trunk, so we're gonna get it installed.